What's up everyone, this is Seamo. At the end of the road trip, unfortunately, accidentally, my laptop has a crack on the screen. So tonight, we made an appointment to talk about it at Best Buy.
No fix,
No exchange.
no exchange.
Yeah, we should be able to do it, but I don't have the screen in the store though. So that would be really the only thing. So if you can buy the screen, we can replace it for you here in the store if you wanted to do that.
So you need to find the screen.
Yeah, because we don't have a vendor anymore to actually order the screen anymore. So, but that would be the only way that we could do it at least. So we could do the service, but we couldn't order the part.
Yeah.
So. Screen you can generally find on either Amazon. You can order it online directly from ASUS as well. The other option would be going to some of the computer repair stores around in the area. So Seattle PC Computers, that would be one of them. There's a couple other ones along Aurora as well. They're pretty popular. PC Repair, Progressive Tech Repair. Those will also be able to get you the screen as well. They will be able to do the service, but the service will probably be a little bit more expensive than we charge here. So if you want to save the most amount of money, you'd be coming through us. So, okay. Otherwise, any other questions?
No.
All right, perfect.
So we order screen
Yeah.
on Amazon.
Yes.
Then Mina's gonna try replace. Was it easy?
It's gonna be your new screen.
A few moments later.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
good. Your screen's back. Okay, let me just put everything back.
One eternity later.
你这个没有压紧。有。有压紧。
Show some respect.
What do you mean?
She said I didn't do my part.
But I noticed he did, so he said show some respect.
I can see your fingerprints.
Just clean it later. Stop complaining. Okay, done.
Great. You finished in 13 minutes. Want to start now? Boom.
Use the heartbeat sound.
You can wipe it if you see my fingerprint.
Oh, here.
Satisfied? No. I don't know.
Right password. You can watch Mina's 30-second challenge to see if
Yay.
it works.
Unlock it. Go ahead, try.
Ah. Yep.
他好像又关了，
Looks better.
他新机你不知道。
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
I got a new subscribe.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, Mina.
Good job, Mina.
To Mars? you did
30
it.
seconds to Mars. Cool.
为什么我明明锁起来了？我明明锁起来，我明明锁起来了，为什么你们还找得到？
So how did you feel? How did you feel about this video?
我要把它，为什么我明明把它收起来了？不行。
Give me some comment.
What does cupcake mean to you?
Good job, Mina.
不要把那个用破。
收着 Seamo Life。
Good. My laptop's back.
我看到，可是你是拿打球穿吗？这样？
老师打，你为什么不拿它摘下来？
我不知道。